Check it out, guys. Wow, I'm amazed that this thing turned out really great. Jeez, it looks brand new. Can't tell that it's brand new. It is look brand new compared to the old one. Wow, check it out. Alright guys, welcome back. We got another vehicle here in the garage. It's a Volvo Xc90. What's the problem on this is, I'll show you. There's headlights. Seems like this side is okay, but we're gonna do both. This one is worse. There's some kind of weather out lens, seen better days. And we're gonna be fixing this side and the other side as well. One guy messaged me. He likes my other video that I did on the Lincoln MKX, and then he hit me up, and then he wants me to do his vehicle. So it's here in the garage now. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna have to take this headlight out of the vehicle. There's little tabs right here, metal tabs. Needs to take those two off, and this whole headlight will come out. Same thing on the other side. Tabs right there. There's metal tabs. Pull this off, and this whole headlight will come out. And don't forget to unplug the harness off from the bulbs. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with 180 as the rough sandpaper, and then 320 after, and then the third one will be 1500 wet sand. This is gonna be all wet sand, so we're gonna start all over this area right here. You feel it's rough, and we're gonna be spending a lot of time scrubbing this thing. I don't have I saw one of the comments on my previous video doing headlights. I don't have a buffer machine for the sandpaper. I have buffer machines for the pads, but I don't have the buffer machine for sandpaper. I don't have the attachment for it, so that's why I'm using elbow grease right here. So let's get started. So on this part right here, you can tell I used 1500 grit wet sandpaper because I skipped the other two because of this lens right here. It looks like it's pretty brand new, so just need a little bit of work, so I'm gonna have to smooth it out. This one will be just gonna be easy because he did, the previous owner, he did this side already, but on this one right here, on the other headlight is worse than this, so we're gonna do 1500 on this one. Alright guys, so after using the wet sand, we're gonna use the Smart Wax, the swirl, and this scratch remover. So we're gonna be working around here. Make sure you get the medium pad. It's not soft, but medium. Using the entire lens for all this, all in one to go. It's gonna do one lens first, and we're gonna compare it to the old one. All right, so let's see how this thing turn out. Wow, look at that, guys. That turned out really great. Wow. Check that out. That is just the first quote. You know, I'm gonna be doing it again 3 or 4 times on the same compound. scratch and swirl remover. Works really great. So you get one of these things. Scratch and swirl remover. Part number 2675213 is the part number. So we're not done yet. We're gonna be doing it more. This is the second quote, and I'm not gonna show you the result. Compare this one to the other side of the headlight. Check it out, guys. Wow, that was the fourth quote. Let's compare this to the old one. It looks brand new. Can't tell that it's brand new. It look brand new compared to the old one. Wow. I just can't stop looking at the new one. Turned out awesome, guys. Let's do the other side now. Can't wait to put this back together when everything is shined up. Alright, so this is the other lamp. This is the worst one. You can tell I skipped all the sanding videos, but I used all 3 sandpapers. The last one is the 1500 grit. So now it's all smooth. Now we're gonna buffering it down to clear all this lens up. Check that out, guys. Wow, can't wait to get this thing done. Let's go. Now second coat, up to 4 coat. Alright, guys, so the last product we're gonna use is this Scratch Doctor. This is a really fine liquid. Okay, we'll be using this soft pads on our machine here. This is what we're gonna use, and we'll apply with this liquid Scratch Doctor. Look at that. Really fine. Let's see how this thing turned out. Alright, guys, check it out. This is the final result on our restoring this headlamps. Check out the right side. Way better than one before, especially on this side right here. Way better. Looks brand new to me. Just about an hour and a half of sanding, buffing. Works out really nice. Wow. That's the end of this, restoring this headlamp. Turned out really good. Same thing on the other side. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you again in the next video. See ya.